Real wealth is created in periods of crisis. If we look back in history, and I love researching, so I did the work for you. If we look back and we study in these periods of crisis, millionaires and billionaires have used it to catapult themselves to the next level of wealth. During this specific time, no, Warren Buffett has bought 3 more companies, right? He's bought into Activision Blizzard, Apple, and Chevron. He has built up very big positions in these companies. He's become a larger investor in these companies. So while everyone is panicking and selling stocks or, hiding their money in a mattress, burying their money, you have people out there who are buying, who are making acquisitions. And in Jamaica, we saw it. iCreate is doing acquisition of Visual Vibe. Dollar Financial is in talks about doing acquisition. We have even our sponsor, JMB, who is making acquisitions in this time. So we have these large, wealthy corporations who have done their strategic planning, done their process, and they're using this period to catapult their growth. What are you doing? What are you doing? We cannot be sitting on the sidelines just observing the world pass us by. I want us to be in action mode. Same as we're seeing the millionaires, the billionaires, the corporations making these moves, we should be making the moves too. Why we can't make the moves? We can make them as well. And I want to empower you to make the moves. That's why we're here. That's why we have the money classroom, for you to learn about money so that you know the right strategies to implement, you know the right moves to make to continue your wealth building.